I went crazy with this, man. With this bundle of text animations and effects and animations just for DaVinci Resolve users, you can create viral text animations, viral effects animations, zooms, drop shadows, everything you use in DaVinci Resolve with just one click. It's super easy to use, just a drag and drop format, and it contains over 50 text animations and over 20 effects of animations and all that stuff ready to apply with just one click. Very important, it's just for DaVinci Resolve Studio users, doesn't work with the free version. You will have the link down below in the description, and it has a special discount for you guys with the code SUBS. You go to the link, apply the code, and enjoy the sauce. Let me show you what this pack contains inside.
Okay guys, well, we are here to show you what this bundle contains inside. Okay, first of all, it contains a viral captions that all these animations emphasize glowy, pop, lava, rise, underline, and run. Okay, then the viral subtitles pack that contains this character wrap. Okay, character fade, character fade right, flicker fade, disco text, this animation is done, flicker, highlights, shine text, viral blur, fade right, word by word, and all of this. Okay, and there you have the viral text animations by hamo.studio. Okay, you have this blur downslide, blur of this bouncy, distortion, flicker, glitch up, glitchy, and all of these animations that you are seeing on the screen right now. Okay, guys, I also explained all these animations in it has like a video for it, so I will leave you in the right of the screen. You are seeing the targets of explaining of all this pack contains. Then we have in the FX part, we have all these animations. Okay, we include this black stroke. Okay, close in rotation, contains a drop shadow, fast slide left. Okay, as you see, let me adjust this. Okay, fast slide left, fast slide right. Okay, and all more animation. For example, this back flip, laughing, looking around, all these animations, camera pull for intros that make this nice effect, cinematic blur. If you want to add a cinematic blur to your videos, of course, it contains a constant zoom and intro blur. Okay, that you can play around. It's made this nice intro blur, round corners for your videos. And we have this just for text. Okay, slide down text. For example, let's apply it to this. This make this nice animation. You have the slide up. For example, this. You can adjust, of course, the motion blur. The slow slide up makes the pretty nice animation. And finally, you have like a zoom in effect. Okay, it's pretty easy to use. You have this zoom in. It's pretty nice. And you have all of this in this bundle. Okay, it contains. Do you have a special discount of the 50% in your order by applying the code of SUBS? Okay, do you have the 50% of discount? Okay, guys. So I hope you like it and enjoy the sauce, man.